There we go. All right, so what I'm gonna do is this little ground tap on the front is what I'm gonna use to try to fix this crosstalk that's going on. I'm gonna put this little ground wire here and attach it under here and see how that goes, and we'll see what happens next. All right, so now we've got this little bit soldered and it's attached. We're gonna attach it to the board next, right inside. All right, so now we've got the face panel soldered into this board on the ground, and we're going to put it back into the into Wanda and find out if this fixes the crosstalk noise. To show you where we're at, I've got the module plugged in. It's turned on. There's nothing plugged up. I'm going to run it over here to the mixer, and so because I'm having to use the camera, I'm going to be pausing and just swap between. So hold on. We actually have a lot better signal. Like that's really, really, really good compared to what it was before. It was not that loud. All right, so that's number one. Pause there. It's still going. Nothing's changed. So we're going to turn this one down. I'm going to plug in number 2, and I'm going to try to do this with my camera still rolling, so bear with me. We're going to plug this into the second one, and we're going to unmute it because it shouldn't. That fixed it! Are you shitting me? That was all it needed. All right, hold on. I just plugged in wire number 3. We're gonna try it. Right, we got. All right, let's try this one. What is this, number 3? Yeah! That was it! Oh! Yeah, son! I'm so thrilled! Oh, that's so nice. I'm almost out of time. Yeah, buddy, I just wanted to share that. I got it fixed. Yeah, buddy. All right, cool.